How to add a tip after delivery in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Orders at the top. Then click on Past Orders at the top right, and after that, select the order you want to tip. After that, rate your order and choose a tip amount, as you'll find tip option at the bottom. After you've chose a tip amount, press on submit, and also tip amount can't be changed after adding it. So if you don't see an option, you can simply contact their customer care support by calling them. After you see in here, you can submit it and you're good to go. This is how to add a tip after delivery in Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.